Welcome back to my channel. Hope people are doing well, children. And I was not well all these days, so that I couldn't post the video. And many comments are coming that where is the videos, ma'am? So kindly sorry for that. And today I'm giving this natural selection video for you people. And all the very best for your board exam. So your board exams are very nearby. Okay, so start preparing your revision from today onwards. Okay, so let me explain this natural selection process so that you will be understanding better, and you will be able to answer the question for the natural selection. Yes, so now this is the simulation which I am going to share with you, so that you can identify what are the mutations, and you can identify what are the environmental factors for the population further development. Now let us add the single bunny is living in this what to say, in this area. Now shall we add a mate for it. So let us see what happens the first generation. Still, there is no environmental factors for them, and this white color is dominant, so that the dominant is expressed, white bunnies are expressed more in the first generation, and it is very bright also. So now let us see what are the environmental factors which will affect this white bunnies. See, the wolves are coming, the white bunnies are very prominent, so that in the second generation the population of the white bunnies have been reduced, isn't it? Now let us select the recessive characters. So recessive characters means what will happen? There is no bunnies in the third generation. See, there is no bunnies in the third generation. So all the bunnies have been died. So this is how the natural selection process takes place, children. Now again, shall I show the next add a mate, and it is a zero generation. Now these two bunnies are going to give birth to the young one. Let us see what happens. I'll select the dominant characters in the first generation. Okay, and then look at the environmental factors, how it will affect the mutation is coming. And then I'm going to select the recessive characters also. See, the white is more prominent, so that it has been as used as a prey for the wolves which are coming there. Now let us select the recessive characters. So no recessive characters have been expressed, isn't it? Now the population of the white bunnies have been reduced, and finally all the bunnies have died. Okay, so this is how the natural selection process takes place. So this is an example, is a probability I am telling you people. So like this only in nature, all the living organisms survival of the fittest will takes place. Okay, children, so see you in the next class.